Hello friends, today I am going to make very tasty mango ice cream. So try this ice cream at your home and you will love it. So let's get started, and if you like today's video, please like, share and also subscribe to my channel, and you can see the softness of this ice cream. So for making this recipe we want Parle-G biscuit. You can also take Marigold. So here we want 10 biscuits. So I will take 10 biscuits and I will grind it. So crush it roughly and grind it well. So it is done. I have grinded it well. Now I will transfer it. So transfer it into a bowl. And friends, here I have taken half liter of milk. So stir it and boil it for 5 to 6 minutes, and here it is lukewarm. So now take 1 or 2 tablespoon of milk and put it into the biscuits, means which I have grinded. So I have put it into this and mix it well. So here it is done, and you can see the consistency of this. So it has taken 4 or 5 tablespoon of milk. So it is done, and here our milk is also reduced. It is 1/4 of the milk, and now I will add sugar. So you can add sugar according to your taste, and here I have added half cup of sugar and mix it until it dissolved. So stir it and mix it in medium flame. And friends, you can see it is little bit of thick. So now I will put biscuits batter which I have made before. So add a little bit of batter and mix it well, then add more batter and mix it really well. And here is the gas flame is low, so mix it continuously and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. And friends, it is done, and you can see it is thick now. So now switch off the flame, and when it will be cold then it will very thick. So switch off the flame and leave it for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes you can see it is very thick now, means it is done. So now I will grind it well. So transferred all the batter into the grinder jar. So I will put all the mixture here, and now I will put one mango which I have cut it in small pieces. Now I will grind it well. So friends, it is done. I have grinded it, you can see. Now I will add cream. So now I will add some cream. So here I have taken half cup of cream and I have taken it from milk. So I will grind it well. So it is done, you can see I have grinded it well for 2 or 3 minutes and it is very smooth. So now I will put all the batter here into this airtight tiffin and tap it like this. Now close it and put it into the freezer for 4 to 5 hours, and after that we will check it. So friends, 5 hours are over, and now you can see it has little bit of thick, means you can see the consistency, it is little bit of thick. Now I will put into the mixie jar again and mix it well. So I have put all the mixture here. Now I will grind it for 2 to 3 minutes. So friends, it is done, and you can see the softness, you can see the consistency of this. It is. So now I will transfer it again into this tiffin. So put all the batter here and smooth it like this. And now I am going to put some dry fruits. So here I will put some almonds. You can put according to your choice. You can also use cashew, almond, pistachio. So it is your choice. So now you can see it has very beautiful color and texture. So now I will use foil paper and cover it like this. So put foil paper like this and cover it with the lid, and I will put it into the freezer for 8 to 10 hours, and after that we will check it. So close it very nicely like this. So friends, after 10 hours I will check it, and I have removed the foil paper, and you can see the color, the consistency of this cake. It is very beautiful, and now I will serve it. So you can serve as it is. And friends, you can see the softness of this ice cream. It is very soft, very tasty. So whenever you want to make ice cream at your home, so try this recipe and you will love it. So make this at your home and share your experience with me. And if you like today's video, please like, share and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching today's video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.